Okay, angle y is acute where tan y equals p plus 1 over p minus 1, where p is a constant greater than 1. Now then, it should be obvious really that this is bigger than this. Alright, so that it's a top-heavy fraction, an improper fraction. Now, that means that the triangle, right angle triangle, is going to look something like this, right, where that's y. And that's going to be p plus 1. I know this part is for part B really, but I'm going to use it for part A as well. So therefore, looking at that, that must be the answer to part A. Alright, now then, for part B it says work out an expression for sine y. Now sine is opposite over hypotenuse, which means I've got to work out the hypotenuse. And I'm going to do that by using Pythagoras. So I'm going to get p plus 1 squared plus p minus 1 squared. And that, when I multiply it all out, and that should be, h, hypotenuse equals that. And it's got to be square rooted. And when you multiply all that, I haven't got a lot of room, so you're going to have to trust me on this one. Okay, so I get that. Okay, so that is this side here, 2p squared plus 2. Okay, so that's essentially what we've got here, and sine y therefore equals the opposite, p plus 1 over root 2p squared plus 2. Alright, yeah, it's not the nicest, but actually when you think about it, if it was numerical rather than riddled with algebra, you wouldn't have a problem with it. But since there's algebra, it just looks horrible, but actually mathematically it's pretty straightforward.